Hello, my name is Rich Howard, owner of Architectural Builders Supply. In this video is to bring you a closer look at the Pemko number 271D dark bronze anodized aluminum commercial saddle type threshold. Okay, this is a saddle type threshold because if you use your imagination, it kind of looks like a saddle. The 271 is representative of that fact and what it is in terms of its dimensional properties. Before we get to the dimensions, the D means it's in the dark bronze finish and is available in, mill finish, gold, other mill finish, dark bronze, gold. Those would be the three finishes that this would typically be available in. Okay. Now, dimensionally, this item is handicap compliant because it's a 1/4 inch tall. Okay, so it's barrier free in the fact that it's 1/4 inch tall. It's 5 inches wide. And those two dimensions really conspire to make this an incredibly typical threshold. You're going to see a 1/4 inch rise, ADA compliant, anywhere where it's a public access sort of situation. Retail location, anything where the public has access to and therefore must be handicap compliant, 1/4 inch rise is going to be there. Also, the 5 inch is very common as well because it's very compatible and compliant with typical depths of aluminum storefront frames. Hollow metal frames will all be very complementary to a 5 inch overall width of this threshold. So you're going to see this threshold, especially in the dark bronze color. Aluminum storefront doors on the exterior of a building, showrooms, retail spaces, restaurant sort of industries, very common. I would think if it was a non-ADA compliant, you might opt for a slightly higher threshold, like a 1/2 inch. However, people like the low profile as well. You could use this in a commercial setting where you will be routinely going over the threshold with a 2-wheel hand cart, bringing, delivery material in and out. So a 1/4 inch rise is very good for that as well. Available on the website in several different lengths. If you have need for a custom length, by all means let us know by ordering the next longest piece or pieces and indicate in the comment field what length you'd like for us to cut the material back to. The reasoning is if you had to take this 3-foot piece and cut it down to say 30 inch, you'd eliminate that countersink. And the next one's all the way over here. So if you order a custom length, we'll not only locate the countersink at the proper distance from the edge, but the proper center to center as well. You really don't want to have to encounter more work than necessary. You're going to need a drill, you're going to need a countersink. Then the centers may not be appropriate. And speaking of holes, screws are indeed included. You can't really see them very well there, but they're going to be a number 10 by 1.5 inch in a complementary finish. Okay. Fasteners would not be included. Anchors would not be included. You need to provide those yourself. Pemko is a full-line manufacturer of all things weather stripping related, not only very typical common commercial thresholds like this, but perimeter gasketing and door sweeps. Material made of aluminum like this, stainless steel, architectural bronze, a comprehensive offering of residential weather stripping as well. Any questions on the Pemko number 271D, dark bronze anodized saddle type threshold, or any other Pemko product, please feel free to reach out to us. Thank you.